Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Sunday, October 23rd, 2022. Hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend, and let's get started. So the preferred pattern that we've been looking at has been that we are in a consolidation period here, and that when we get the pullback is when you wanted to start buying, and that was right around that the 3650 level, and you can see the reason why is it's this channel, this upward channel right here. So when it came across and touched right in this area here, that's where support held, and then you can see we broke out of this little bull flag. So I'm still on the side that I believe we're going to be heading up somewhere up into the 3807, possibly even 3900. I'm not really seeing any sell signals just yet, but if we take a look at the hourly chart here, you can see we are getting a bit overbought right here. So I think if they're gonna if tomorrow, if as long as there's no geopolitical shocker, I think we're going to be coming up somewhere into the 3800 level. And if you're you were layering in where we were recommending, maybe take a little bit off. I still think there's going to be a little more time, but the line in the sand is going to be really right around this 3641. So if that gets taken out, then most likely we're coming down and we're going to be closing this gap at 3600. So you could use this as a line in the sand and just keep raising stops as you go. Or if we get up into this, somewhere up into the 3800, maybe take a little bit off and just let it, let things run and see where it ends. So support levels right now, you can see right from here we have the 3735 is the first support. And then right below it, you can see 3710, and that's the 50-day moving average. And then below that is 3685. So these are the support areas. The resistance is going to be 3766, and then we're going up to 3795, and then 3707. So these are your upside targets. Like I said, I'm not really seeing any sell signals, but right now, we are a little extended. So, but one thing that we should know already too is if once the bulls have control of the tape, they don't like to give it up until that all you can eat buffet is gone. So don't be surprised if they gap the markets open tomorrow and just cause some more bears to really to cover and maybe drive us into the 3900 and possibly even 4000. But right now, let's just see if they can break out of this, get break above the 3760 before the bears take price below the 3714. Those are really our boundaries. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Like I said, I'm not really seeing any big red flags right now, but I think if we do kind of get up into this level here, we're most likely going to have a bearish divergence or a sell signal. So again, that's why I would be looking to scale out of some of your position, and then if it comes down, just look to buy the dip. And like I said, eventually we may be closing this gap before all is said and done. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll talk to you guys in a moment.